Eagle Francis S. Evangelista. Lady Eagle Lilia or Leila Q. Bantilan.
Sana kuya, sana yung ano? Sa Pilipinas, no, inawat ni Marce, di na kaya, inawat naman ni Piping. So, with this program is part of my program when I was a candidate last year for national president. But I am so thankful because we have here a specialized person, one of our governor and field director. That we
Incident Command System Instructor po, ang inyong lingkod ng Office of Civil Defense ng Region 3. Naging Vice Governor ako, National Field Director, kaya po ako nasa harapan nyo. At kasalukuyan akong Regional Governor ng Central Luzon Region A. Ako po ay pro Marilao, Bulacan. Ikatlong termino ko na po.
Marami ang handang tumulong, ngunit mas marami ang nangangailangan ng tulong na hindi na narespondihan. Ito mismo ang pumukaw sa ating damdamin upang hangarin, mas paigtingin at pagyamanin pa ang alalayang agila.
Eagle Abdul Jabbar di Pakatano. Eagle Rene A. Paula. Eagle Iqbal J. Musa. Eagle Bernabe F. Frias Jr.
I am an eagle, let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts beat proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and